Hello, my name is Diego Mendoza with BCP Group Artificial Lift. My role in the company is to develop the United States market business strategy. We are BCP Group Artificial Lift Inc., and we have been serving the oil and gas industry alongside Rockwell Automation for 22 years running. From our headquarters in Houston, Texas, we're proud to service the international oil and gas industry across the world. At BCP Group, innovation is our DNA. We excel in the development of artificial intelligence applications for all of our artificial lift systems. We harness the power of AI to optimize your operations. Our star products, See That To Us, or Intelligent Controller for Artificial Lift, and MIPS, or Multi-Phase Intelligent Pumping Systems, redefine power automation. They are powered by PowerFlex technology from Rockwell Automation. With these solutions, the end user optimizes their production to a way never before seen in the industry. BCP Group sets itself apart from the competition through its 22 years of experience in the industry. We combine deep-rooted knowledge of our customers' processes, as well as the knowledge of Rockwell Automation products to bridge the gap between them and provide the most optimal and efficient solution that any service company can provide in the industry. Our newest venture, Magneta, takes AI to the next level. We're applying it to control and optimize permanent magnet motor technologies across all of the artificial lift systems that we provide. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about sustainability. We aim to reduce energy consumption and maintenance costs, reshaping traditional applications. With our solutions, our customers experience remarkable results. Our AI-enhanced PMM control, featuring our in-house designed artificial lift system, PMM, and flux-oriented sensor lifts, algorithm, significantly lower energy consumption. It's not just about optimizing performance, it's about supporting the industry's sustainability goals. Reduced carbon footprints and precise control are the outcomes. Our 22-year partnership with Rockwell Automation is the cornerstone of our success. It guarantees that our solutions are integrated seamlessly, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Together, we're powering a more efficient, eco-conscious future for the oil and gas industry.